Hi there. Hi there. This is one of the dogs we brought back from the puppy mill auction this weekend, and we're outside roaming around with no cage. Hi. I know. It's like you don't know what to do with yourself, huh? Yes. Hi there. Hey. Hi. Hi there. It's almost like she just doesn't know what to do. Hi there. Hi. Hi. I gotta show you, this girl's got a little grin on her. Let me see if we can get it here. You can see that. Look. Hi. Hi there. Hi there. So exciting, isn't it? It's so exciting. Okay, let's wander around a little bit. Come on.